In the next, again we are using here the same rubber as we have used before, doing the same, making a braid. So here we are making a different kind of hairstyle, so just wear and watch like this. You just need a thin ribbon into this. It's ready. In the next, here we are taking the hair side portion of the hair and just binding it with this beautiful ribbon. Now using the rest hair like a braid, side braid, in this way, rolling it up. It's ready. In the next, again we are making a ponytail. Now putting the few portion of the hair and making its braid. Now putting the hair in this way, and now putting the ribbon on the each part and pinching it up like this. Beautifully done. It's ready. In the next, here we are making a half ponytail. Now using the rest hair, putting the ribbon like this. Now putting the ponytail and twisting it up to make a braid. Now using this clip to secure it.